Did I get that right?
Yep.
Okay. All right, here we are again on a snowy Ohio day. We're looking at another rig, and this is a Montana High Country, a 295 RL, 34 foot.
Yep.
So, just gonna bring you inside and let's take a peek. Don't forget to hold it with 2 hands. Mike will share the specs with you after a bit, but we'll kind of just go through the rig and then we'll go on the outside of the rig. But it's another chilly tour, I guess, so you guys can stay nice and warm while we're getting cold looking at these things. So we're gonna go right over here like we always do, freestanding table. It looks like they're solid chairs, so they're not gonna collapse and get put away. It has an extension here, which I do like that idea. But this is a little different than the last ones we've been seeing. Yes, it's still a freestanding table, but we've been seeing them mounted on the wall, so that's not in your way when you slide in and out. So that's a little different. They also did that marine grade, and I'm not gonna call it carpet, but they do this marine grade covering on the slide out. Then over here we have the Thomas Paine. All they do is recline. They're really nice. Oh, that's pretty cool. So you can make it a snuggler.
It's a snuggler. New terminology from those who glamp together.
Snuggler.
The snuggler couch.
So we got the couch here, which I like how they put the biggest couch they could in here and give you smaller side tables. I don't believe there's storage in these. They're fixed, but you got some outlets back there. You got some overhead storage, which is nice sized. What kind of couch is this?
It's a trifold.
Trifold, there you go. Swing around and do the TV entertainment center. I really like the way that they did this fireplace surrounding. I like what they did on the decor. And then obviously you have some type of infotainment area. TV, storage, nice size storage. Wish this wasn't in there, but not a big deal, it's still good sized. So we're gonna work our way around the island. I like how they offset the sink, so it gave you more counter space on one side and not both. Not a very big island at all, so I like how they give you one gigantic sink and a smaller sink, but I just prefer the one solid sink. Give you 4 drawers right here, all pretty decent sized. They are not slow closed at all. Then we're going to skip over here. Nice sized, oh, they gave you a trash can. Very nice. I'm not sure if the camera will pick that up. Looks like the sink covers are down in here. So over here, it's nice. They gave you a Suburban small residential stove.
And a lot of space on both sides.
A lot of space on both sides.
Nice.
This is a residential size microwave. It's got nice size cabinets on both sides. Wish they would have done the dampers.
No dampers.
No dampers. For as inexpensive as they are, you think they'd just toss them on here, but it's what it is.
One thing real quick, in the flooring, they put their ducts in the flooring. You got one there and one on the other side of the island. So just so you know, things may fall down in there.
Yeah, and one thing I do have to point out, which I think in comparison to all the rigs that we have been looking at, Alliance does something that no other rig has done, and it's where this slide out is actually flush with the floor. All right, we're gonna come over here to the refrigerator. Residential, which everybody still probably has caught on that we're not gonna do a residential.
If we don't have to.
If we don't have to.
So as you can see, with the island and the slides closed, assuming you can fit between the slide and the other countertop, you can get to your full fridge. And there is an extension to the island here.
Broken.
It's missing screws, but
Yeah.
that's easy fix.
Yeah, that'll need fixed. So you do have a pantry. Not accessible on transit,
Nope.
and it's pretty shallow.
Still good pay for
Might be able
storage.
to stick like a broom in here.
Yeah.
I don't know if you want a broom in with your food, but nice little cubby here for like charging. Different. You could probably put little hooks through here, hang your keys or something, or
Good idea.
that's all I could think of what you could do with that space. It's odd. You got a little counter space. You do have one outlet here, one outlet in here. What we got here. So we ready to look at the bathroom?
Let's do it.
Let's go.
All right, so we're in the shower here. We got plenty of room here, actually. If I even limit this, I still got, you probably can't see me. I've got plenty of room for my elbows in here. This is a really big radius shower. There are two doors in the bathroom, one from the hallway, then there's a pocket door right there with going into the bedroom. So we do have a porcelain stool, foot flush, good room. Storage behind, so this medicine cabinet behind, then there's a medicine cabinet on this side as well, and then in the bedroom slide is your bathroom linen storage, top and bottom. And this down here is plumbed for a washer dryer. Or you could just take this out and have a stackable, I'd assume. But yeah, you probably just have a combo washer dryer here. The bowl, pretty big, and they actually have a really tall, a much taller faucet, so that's actually good. But it's a really big bowl, plenty of countertop.
I have to point this out on the faucet. Not that it's a big deal, but since it's just a handle that you can adjust like that, you don't have your round knobs on each side. I do like this handle a little bit better.
Yeah.
Especially like you can bump it with your wrist to turn it on and off.
You do have a fan in here. The doors are framed out, so that makes them a lot more sturdy. They don't move when I tap them. So that's good quality there.
So we got right here a central vac on the steps.
Yep, central vac.
Yep. So we're gonna head into the bedroom. All right, master bedroom. This is a king bed that comes here. There is some storage underneath here. It's not a lot, which
Pretty
is
shallow.
Yeah, we don't know what's...
You could get shallow containers and put clothes in them, have them under there.
Yeah, you can tell there's some like wiring or whatever.
That's
but,
probably
yeah.
from the slide.
If I would assume if you went with a queen, you would have bigger side tables.
Yep.
Look at this beauty. Because, wow.
That is impressive.
Yeah, it's very nice. And then you got some of this storage in here with drawers. You got a cabinet here. You got two cabinets here. And, yeah. And then also, if Mike backs up a little bit, there is a cabinet here, which you can hang a TV here. And there's this cabinet here. There's 4 of these and one solid. It's got 2 air conditioner units already built into this one. I'm not sure if that's an option or standard. It does have one.
All right, guys. Montana High Country 295 RL. Let's get to the outside. Pardon my snow. So big storage space here. This does have electric leveling, not hydraulic, because it's not a full-blown Montana. So you have access to battery space here, all your wiring. All right, so we got this is our bedroom slide. It's on the cable slide system. And the rear slide, cable slide system. 30-pound propane tanks. The other side of the offside passenger storage. Got an inverter in here. Slam latches on that.
But that is the first slam latch. Everything else has been the little twisties.
Yeah, so far everything's been the twist, and I prefer slam.
Yeah.
The water heater.
Oh,
It's access to pull your gray lever, your gray tank. It's 50 amp service. You probably don't want to go back here, do you?
I don't mind. I got boots on. Hey, look, they did reverse lights.
So they got reverse lights in here as well. That's good. I think most of the companies are going to start coming out with that. So good for them. It does have a tow hitch because there is a 4-way pin. It's wired for a backup camera. I don't know the weights on the hitch. Hopefully I'll have that when I get the information to you at the end of this. Okay, so we got our mount for our spare tire underneath. Another cable slide on this side. Awning on the slide out, which I like. So this uses the Road Armor suspension system underneath. Yeah, they've got the MORryde step above steps here that are all iced over. They are not assisted, so it'd just be picking them up, but they're not hard to pick up.
Well, right now they would be hard to pick up because the 4 steps in the ice and the snow.
So this side has magnet latches, which I like. Of course, your TV stuff, TV attachments here. It's not a bad size.
It's very tall.
It is a drop frame, and if you don't know what a drop frame is, if you see a pass-through that has that little section below it, you got your pass-through up here and just a little step, the drop frame eliminates that, makes it all one level, which gives you more room. And then the other 30 pound. All right, guys, so the weights and all the specs on the Montana High Country. It is 11,235 dry. It's got a 3,000 pound carrying capacity with a 2,300 pound hitch weight to your truck. 34 foot long, 13 feet 4 inches tall. Its fresh water is 66 gallons, gray water 88 gallons, and wastewater, black tank, is 49. It's got 60 pounds of 60 gallon LP tanks, 2 30-pound tanks, 18 cubic foot refrigerator. It's got 6,000 pound axles. So with its 14,200 pounds of GVRW, those axles are good because you're going to have 2,300 pounds in your truck. So those axles are appropriate. So whatever you have thoughts about this rig, put them in the comments below. And happy glamping.